Woo, it is a hot one. How are you today? I'm good, and today I'm with my friend Rachel. Hi, Rach.
Hi. Oh no, I look like a man.
And we are up at the Syracuse University up on the hill, Marshall Street. I used to come here many years ago. I used to skateboard over here, and then we'd go eat food at one particular restaurant since the early days of when I first went. I think even before I went vegan, when I was just a vegetarian. The only places to go around here if you didn't want to go grocery shopping was a place called King David's, which is a Middle Eastern place, Mediterranean food, and they have falafel, and I've been getting it for many years. They actually contacted me and wanted me to go try their new vegan options there. They're reopening this week, so I'm excited that they contacted me because I've been going here for a long time, and it's just exciting that they even know who I am. Dante, the guy that contacted me, is a vegan himself, so that's exciting in and of itself. So we're gonna go in there and we're gonna eat some food for you guys and for us. So hopefully if you are ever in the area, you can stop by and check it out yourself. All right, Rach, you ready to eat some food? Mm-hmm. All right, we'll see you guys in there. It looks a little different than it used to. They built a few new buildings. This used to be a parking lot. It's a building now. But I used to come here and I would skateboard. This is Marshall Street. Yeah, we would get food here, skateboard, and you know, hey, we're back here again. All right, guys, I am here at King David's with Dante, and he's gonna tell us a little bit about why we're here.
My name is Dante. I invited Chris, the famous vegan zombie, to King David's to try some of our vegan options. And the goal really is to, figure out what he likes the best, see what he thinks we can incorporate, add to our menu, and honestly, I've been vegan for 6 months now, and he's inspired that journey of mine, and I can only thank him like 1,000 times because I feel great. I feel like I'm doing a big part as far as like the planet goes, and let's eat. I'm excited.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to this. And this is your dad. He is the owner.
Yes.
So he remembers, well, obviously, when I used to come here 25 plus years ago. This was the only place to go.
This was the original.
Yeah.
King David's was the original. Yep.
So what do we have here?
You have some tabbouleh. You have some grilled veggies, waffle patties with tahini sauce, spinach pie, fries with za'atar, and got a few more items coming up.
Awesome. I'm excited.
This is our famous hummus. And some baba ganoush. Yep. And some donuts. There you go.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
Made you a bunch extra so you can take some home if you need to.
So here's the spread here. This is actually gluten-free. And we're going to dig in now. We got some King David shirts. Look at this.
Put this up for you.
Look at that. Syracuse. I love it. 1974.
People love that, yeah.
It's 2 years before I was born. Okay, so the verdict. Everything was super good. I can't wait until. So everything already. This is all on your menu now, right?
Yes.
So if you guys are in the area of Syracuse, stop on by Marshall Street. All of that food is on the menu, and they are definitely very vegan friendly. Again, Dante is vegan.
Guys, come on in. Glad to see you. Thanks for having me.
What do you think, Rach?
Very good.
Very good.
Awesome.
All right, man. It was so nice meeting you, and
Nice to
thanks
meet you
for
too.
letting me try out the new menu. I'll be telling everybody about this.
Awesome. Glad you came. Again, we're open on Marshall Street, back open from 4:11 to 8. So come on in, enjoy whatever you want. We got vegan options.
Is it 7 days a week open?
Closed on Sundays.
Closed on Sundays. All right, guys, you heard it from him. Come here, try it out. See you guys soon. Thank you, guys.
Thank you so much. Very nice.
That was refreshing. Now to get home and edit the video, guys, give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you guys next time. And watch out for zombies.